This is the HoverAir X1 Pro Max. I've actually been using this drone for a couple of weeks now, and I'm working on my review video for it. But when I was out flying it the other day, I got a notification that there was a firmware update that finally made 8K available to all the flight modes. 8K was limited to a few flight modes before, but now it's available in all modes. I kept getting questions asking how the 8K looked on it, and I honestly couldn't give an answer because it wasn't available yet, but it's finally here. So my review video will be out later, but for now, here's a few shots with the X1 Pro Max in 8K so you can see how the 8K footage looks out of it. People have asked me why I need 8K, and the truth is I don't need it. I'm perfectly fine filming and editing in 4K, but I'm the type of person that if it's available to me, I'm gonna use it. The biggest downside with 8K though is the file storage. For example, here's a 15-second bird's eye clip shot in both 4K and 8K. It takes up to 56 megabytes in 4K and 162 megabytes in 8K. And here's a 17-second orbit shot. That took up 63 megabytes in 4K and 179 megabytes in 8K. I film a ton of footage whenever I'm out, and buying storage all the time isn't that fun to me. Now I'm not going to film everything in 8K. Most of these quick shot modes only take like 15 to 20 seconds, so those don't really take up too much space. But when I do take this with me on my bike rides or when winter finally hits and I can do some backcountry snowboarding, I'm not going to film a continuous 15-minute run in 8K. That would be insane. Another reason that I plan on filming in 8K is that since I edit mostly on a 4K timeline, the 8K will allow me to crop in and not lose video quality. But also I'm basically future-proofing myself, in case I ever need to come back to any of this footage in the future. Alright, I'm gonna get back to working on my X1 Pro Max review video. Then I need to go rob a bank so that I can buy more hard drives. See ya.